Good morning. 3 weeks ago, we went to a really epic estate sale on this street. A lot earlier than this, about 3 hours earlier than this we got here. It is 6:08 in the morning. And we've come back to Lawrenceville for that 2-house estate sale that you saw 3 weeks ago. They're reopening it. And we get to go back in. Yay. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Something is priced, I forgot to tell you. It's at least half off.
Okay.
More off.
Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Into this weird little closet.
Sure.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
These are good. For sure. Definitely. What brand are they? What is it? I feel like I can look it up real quick. Well, let's get them.
Put them in the bag.
Let's be getting them.
Here.
They're in pretty good shape still.
Thanks.
I didn't look in the bathroom.
Is there anything left in the attic?
There was stuff up there.
What? Oh man, more. I need another bag. Vintage drapes.
I don't know. Unless there's a set, I think it's a no for me. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh my god.
Oh dear.
Hello. Too bad it's so dirty.
That's it then? Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate it. You too.
Can I leave this big bag with you? And I'm gonna go in the other house.
Yep, absolutely.
Thanks. Oh yeah. This brings back memories.
Cash.
I'm just gonna sit it.
Oh, okay. You can tell him I'll pay for it all when I come out.
Right behind you.
All right.
Somebody bought an old bathroom, I swear. Good stuff
We
up there.
did.
Excellent.
Yes, we were so excited when we saw that you guys were having this second chance.
Yeah, I think, what's his name? The guy that's with you, what's his name?
Adam?
Adam.
Yeah.
I think Adam had commented on Messenger or something.
Yeah, we were like so excited when we saw it. Just to like even look at the stuff is fun.
Yeah.
It's like a museum.
It really is. It really is a time machine.
Yeah.
Like this.
More dress shirts. 70s dress shirts.
Oh, I put all the stuff out there and put it all together.
No sewing machines today. No day beds.
No, I think we're good with the
Yeah, so we got
the 3 IKEA beds.
All right, let's just take a quick look. We're not gonna. I know you got the good stuff. You got good eyes. Oh, cool. Well, I think we were saying $10 for all you fit one of those bags. So how about we call this $8?
Sure.
All right. So let's say 8 for that.
That's cheap.
I know.
Are you guys hitting other sales today?
There is none.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we might go to like a.
I'm actually surprised you didn't get better, more business.
Yeah.
Because there isn't really.
Circle in, hopefully.
Yeah.
Either that or we're gonna open a bottle of wine and play cards.
There you go.
$50 for everything, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I think we can handle it. So glad you guys did this though.
Yeah, that's
I
the quota.
I contacted Fawn right afterwards. I'm like, if you're having a guy come in and just buy everything and clear it out, can we come back?
Alrighty, and we're back from the Lawrenceville estate sale, the sequel, and we went a little overboard, as you can see by the table in front of me. So rather than go through each one of these individually, I'm just going to tell you briefly what we got in bulk. Okay, so starting with over there, we got some boots. They're brand new; they've never been worn, so they're right around $40 for those guys.
Yeah, whatever brand they're. Ramrods.
Yeah.
Nice shape.
We got a shag rug rake.
Shag rug rake.
So then there's some bedspreads over there. There's some blank tapes. You don't need. Those are some Wendy's toys that we're not 100% certain.
I'm just gonna lock these up together.
worth anything. Those are razors, and we had really good luck selling the first two we got. So we got
Yes.
the rest of it.
Yes.
In fact, that was the primary reason we went back.
Yes,
Believe
it's
it or
for
not,
these.
Those razors are worth between $20 and $25 a piece.
Yeah.
Nobody knows why,
We got 5.
but they are worth.
That's like $100.
Sarah got a box of some booklets and some pamphlets. There's some
Waffles
vintage
about
makeup
making.
behind it.
Oh
there.
yeah, this here. Hydrotone.
There's a United States Postal Worker shirt. There's a bunch of old men's dress shirts from the 60s
And t-shirts.
70s. And t-shirts and polos. You name it, it's there. We got some vintage, I don't know, well, this right here.
Oh, they got toiletries and things?
Yeah, some shaving cream, oil. This is a hair
That's
color
nice.
bath. Old Avon stuff. This is old corn remover. I don't know. Then we got some of these booties. We had some success selling the cat socks, so I got the rest of them that were there. These are vintage pantyhose here. Not 100% certain if these are going to be worth much of anything, but they do. We've seen them sell from other YouTubers, and so we're hoping that they sell. We got some new gloves, vintage gloves here. Back there are shirts, more vintage shirts,
And pants.
vintage pants, a vintage denim skirt is down there at the bottom.
So
All
brave.
brand new with tags, never been worn, probably 60s, 70s. Behind there is some tablecloths.
Tablecloths and these towels. These are lovely. And look at this. They come in like a gift box. The gift ensemble.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put those on like first.
All right.
And these t-shirts.
And a couple t-shirts.
Texas Hold'em. Raiders.
That's it. All right, guys, and that wraps up the haul for that estate sale. That was awesome. We're so happy that we were invited back, and the people who owned the houses were just so inviting and so lovely and welcoming. It was just great. It really was. And if you're watching this, thank you guys so much for allowing us into your homes and allowing us to buy some great merchandise. So we really do appreciate it. So thank you so very much. And thank you to everybody who's watching. Thank you very, very much. I know there's a few of you out here that haven't yet. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps out the channel, helps the channel to grow. And, you know, we're growing well. So keep on hitting that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!